How many of you wear glasses? Do you remember how old you were when you got your first pair of glasses? My country and my neighboring countries such as Japan, China and Singapore have high rates of vision problems amongst children. This is due to the more intensive education system where kids would spend long hours studying indoors under artificial lighting, instead of spending their time outdoors under natural lighting. So out of 10 of my friends, I would say that at least 7 of them wear glasses. Unfortunately, this number is slowly increasing around the world. I might have really small eyes, but I'm proud to say that I have near perfect vision. So I don't wear any glasses or contact lenses. I'm going to share with you some of the practices which have helped me. So, just like other parts of your body, your eyes have muscles as well. You got to feed them, train them, relax them, and also protect them. Let's start with feeding your eyes. So what should you eat? Here's a secret. I have been snacking on carrots, whether it's raw or cooked, since I was really young, almost on a daily basis. This is not a joke. I really believe that my love for carrots have helped me to protect my vision. So start by eating orange-colored food such as carrots, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and mangoes. These foods contain beta-carotene, which is a type of vitamin A that gives them its orange hue, which is a natural vision booster. It helps the retina to function smoothly, and I would say that this food group is my favorite. Next, eat dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens. These vegetables contain lutein and zeaxanthin. So these antioxidants act as natural sunscreen to protect your eyes against harmful UV rays. The next group is to consume cold water fish such as sardines, tuna, mackerel, and salmon. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which protect against dry eyes and any age-related eye deterioration. Next, berries and citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C to build collagen for your eyes. Finally, don't forget your nuts and seeds. They contain vitamin E, which helps to protect your cells from free radicals. So the general guideline is to consume at least 3 servings from each category per week. The next point is to train your eyes. Just like your body, if you don't train your eyes, eventually they will start to become lazy. Are you someone who spends long hours in front of the computer or your mobile phones? Do you always find yourself straining your eyes, having dried eyes, and even headaches? Well, I'm guilty of that myself. When we stare at a computer screen or a mobile phone which are very close to you, you unknowingly strain your eyes and your eye muscles contract. When you look into a distance, your eye muscles relax. So what I've been practicing is the 10-10-10 rule. What this means is that for every 10 minutes you spend in front of the computer, look away, look at something at a distance which is about 10 feet away from you for at least 10 seconds. This 10-10-10 concept is really simple, but it will help with protecting your vision long term. Most of you might not know this, but tension in the eyes are often accompanied with tension in other parts of your body, such as your face, jaw, and also your shoulders. So performing simple stretches such as shoulder rolls and also head rotations can help with your vision. So you can even do this at your desk. Simply roll your shoulders forward and also back for at least 15 to 20 repetitions. And do the same with head rotations. Go clockwise and also anti-clockwise. These simple movements will help to release the tension, improve circulation, and also the flow of energy in your body. So you will feel more awake and less sluggish. Let's move on to relaxing your eyes. Ever seen your colleagues sitting at their desk like this? Well, this method is actually really helpful to relax your eyes. It is called palming. Some of you might have even done this in your yoga classes. So simply rub both hands together until you feel warm. Then place them gently on your eyes for about 30 seconds. Don't apply too much pressure on your eyeballs. And just relax your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and breathe in deeply. This will not only help your eyes, but also relax your whole body. Another home remedy I've been practicing is what I call the cucumber cooler. If I've had late nights, if I lack sleep, and wake up with really puffy eyes, what I'll do is slice up 2 thin cucumber slices and place them on my eyes for at least 5 minutes. They are really cooling, refreshing, and it will help to reduce puffiness on your eyes, which also will help with your vision as you relax the muscles around your eyes. So this is a really simple home remedy which you can do every morning. Finally, protect your eyes. Are you watching this video on your mobile phone in the dark? Well, let's not do that, alright? The best way to have good vision is to protect your eyes right from the start. How you treat your eyes every day could either damage them or maintain a healthy vision for life. So choose the right environment for your eyes. Here are a few guidelines to follow. Avoid reading for long periods of time, especially small print. Reduce the use of dim or artificial lighting. Choose natural lighting instead. Avoid spending many hours in front of screens. Give your eyes a break. When it's nighttime, choose the night mode on your phone and also computer to reduce the amount of light going into your eyes. And finally, take a break, go for a walk, and just stare at a distance. This will help to relax your eyes and also your entire being. So these are few practices which have helped me to have good vision. What other methods do you do? Let me know in the comments below. So give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to also turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and also Thursday. All the best!